Okay, so I believe you must have successfully installed your IDLE by now. So let's bring it up. So now we're going to write our very first code, which is going to be hello world. Typically, will tell in Python, hey, hello, be good to us. So Python, as I already explained, uses the normal English language syntax. That's what makes it easy. So there we have print hello world. Pay attention to my usage. So there you could see hello world printed. You could try your hands on several other stuffs, print out whatever you want to print, and Python does print it out for you. Score.